The Fire Engine Book. Ding, ding, ding goes the alarm. The firemen slide down the pole. Cling, cling, cling goes the fire engine bell. The chief is on his way. Here they come. Watch out. Make way for the hose car. Hurry, hurry. Jump on the back of the hook and ladder truck. The people came running out to see the great big hook and ladder truck. Here they are at the fire. The chief tells his men what to do. Quick, connect the hoses. Sss goes the water. Crank, crank, up go the ladders. Up go the firemen with their hoses. Chop, chop, chop go the axes. Crash go the windows. Down the ladders come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. Sput, 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 out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. Hooray for the brave firemen.